High cholesterol, a silent killer that can lead to heart disease, strokes, and even death. But the good news is that it's manageable. In this video, we will show you how to take control of your cholesterol levels and live a healthy life. So, what causes high cholesterol? A combination of genetic and lifestyle factors, including unhealthy diets, high in saturated and trans fats, lack of physical activity, smoking, obesity, and family history of cholesterol. Now let's talk about managing high cholesterol. Here are some simple steps you can take. Eat a healthy diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Exercise regularly. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per week. Quit smoking. Maintain a healthy weight. Limit dietary cholesterol and saturated fats. In some cases, your doctor may prescribe medication to help lower your cholesterol levels. It's essential to work with your healthcare provider to develop a treatment plan that's right for you. Managing high cholesterol takes time and effort, but it's worth it. By making healthy lifestyle changes and working with your healthcare provider, you can lower your cholesterol levels and reduce your risk of heart disease. Take control of your health today. Thanks for watching. If you have high cholesterol, consult with your healthcare provider to develop a personalized treatment plan and take medications as prescribed by your healthcare provider.